Welcome to the city of Empathropolis. Oh no! The villain Gooby is causing emotional chaos throughout the city. Thank goodness Empathropolis has their very own team of superheroes. Gooby turns city blocks red. Resolve a city watch card scenario to repair the damage Gooby caused. With over 80 hand-drawn city watch cards, you'll help clean up the city by identifying emotions at play in various scenarios, learning to step into the shoes of another, and learn to self-reflect with the power-up cards. But beware of Gooby's turn. He can emerge from anywhere. When Gooby faces off against a hero, be prepared to guess the correct emotion.
Shy? Yes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Put an end to Gooby's antics and win the game. Empower Empathy is a game about emotions for children 5 and up that focuses on screen-free cooperative play and quality family time. Along with the game, you'll also receive a teaching guidebook filled with professional advice as well as weekly activities so that your child can take their learning into the real world. The game was designed with 4 key principles in mind. It allows children to step into the shoes of another, self-reflect, become aware of their own emotions, and practice real-world exercises. Elevate the emotional intelligence of your kids with Empower Empathy.